And so it was spoken during the last cycle of the full moon about the last cycle of the last age. The last age, the Piscean age, that you have moved out of and embraced the Aquarian age. The guardian of that age, Lord Sananda, spoke to you of his role and the role of many in that age, the role of sacrifice, the role of brotherly, sisterly love, the role of understanding that no life is greater than all life, the role of unconditional love and acceptance. Many chose to focus on Lord Sananda, known as the Christ at that time. Many chose to focus on that one being of love and light, and to see that being as divine rather than to see themselves as divine. I am St Germain, guardian of the violet flame, asking you to accept your divine nature. It may feel like a burden at first, for you will see a great responsibility in it. Remember, the ability to respond is responsibility. The ability to respond. Respond now to your breath, to your feelings in this moment. Where are you? Breathe into the body again, deeply, deeply, down to the toes, down to the belly. I am St Germain, guardian of the violet flame, drawing the breath into the body deeply, deeply. In my name, call in the violet flame to your being. Imagine as you hold the palms up again somewhere around the heart chakra that there are flames bouncing in the palms. Bounce your palms and feel those flames. They're real because you say so. They're real because I say so. I am St Germain, and in my name, call in the violet flame. I asked you to call it into your being with the tones, and I will give you a number of tones to make. As you make those tones, be aware of the vibration moving through your body, the sound. Tap as you're coning the tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth and feel the vibration moving up into the pineal gland, pituitary gland. Feel the vibration moving up into your brain. I am St Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Now when you call the violet flame tonight in my name, today in my name, call that violet flame to something inside of you that does not accept divinity. Call it to your fearful place, your anxious place, your sad place, your unkind place, your tired place, your fatigued place, your anxiety-ridden, stressed space. Call it to any space in your life that needs change. Call it to belief systems that are too confining. Call it to configurations within yourself that you no longer need. Call in your divine nature with the flame of St. Germain. 7 tones. I am St Germain, in my name call in the violet flame. St Germain, St Germain, St Germain, I, and you can state your name, call in the violet flame. I call in the violet flame to transmutate my fears, my limitations. Give it your own spin. My limitations to accepting my divine nature. My limitations to thinking I can write a book. My limitations to thinking I can live abundantly. My limitations to thinking I can find true love. My limitations to thinking I can be a good parent and guide. My limitations to thinking I can play a musical instrument. Whatever it is, bring it in. St Germain, St Germain, St Germain of the violet flame. St Germain, St Germain, St Germain of the violet flame. St Germain, St Germain, St Germain of the violet flame. Bring it into your being. Use your awareness now. Breathe and listen to your breath for a few moments, basking into the light of your divine nature.